Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? How Netflix knows what you like? Or how self drive cars avoid obstacles? The answer is artificial intelligence. In this video, we will break it down step by step. So, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that allows machine to think, learn, and solve problems. In other words, AI is like teaching a computer how to make decisions just like humans do. You probably use AI every day without realizing it. Have you ever asked Siri or Google Assistant a question? That's AI. Have you noticed how Netflix recommends movies you might like? That's AI too. AI is everywhere, from your smartphone to self driving cars. So, how does AI actually work? Well, just like humans learn from experience, AI learns from data. Imagine you saw a child 1000 picture of cats. Over time, they learn what a cat looks like. AI works in the same way. It analyzes thousands or even millions of examples to recognize patterns and make decisions. One of the most powerful AI techniques is deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks. These networks mimics the way the human brain works, allowing AI to recognize image, understand speech, and even play chess better than humans. AI is already changing the world in healthcare. AI helps doctors detect diseases faster. In finance, AI prevents fraud by analyzing millions of transactions. AI is also behind social media recommendation and even video game opponents that adapt your playstyle. So, how can you start learning AI? First, learn Python, the most widely used programming language in AI. Next, explore AI libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Then start with small projects, such as an image recognition program or a chatbot. And of course, take free online courses to build your knowledge step by step. And then that's your first step into the world of AI. If you are excited to learn more, let me know in the comments. What AI topic interests you the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. See you in the next video.